So today we are going to start the rest of the method of the function. Okay, the predefined functional interface inside function. Okay, we have studied that function in our last class. So now only apply method, whatever the functional method that is there, the abstract method that we have seen. Okay, now we are going to see the function chaining. So how we can do. Okay, so for that let me write one gap here. Okay, so that we can be identify whatever the things we are going to do right now. Okay, so what I'll do, we have already a function f1, no, sorry, a function, so which will return what? On getting the employee object, it will return the employee name, right? So once we got the employee name, so I will write another function which will take the name as the input, and what it will do, it will try to make offer. Okay, so make offer means that is also name is also a string, the output is also string. To make offer means what? That is a string, right? So that output is also string type. Okay, and here this is the function one, and what I need is like lambda, we can assign to the lambda this, since this is a functional interface. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take lambda, and simply this is a string name dot to uppercase. Okay, to uppercase, this is the method. Okay, what it will do, it will simply make the to upper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write employee and this is from emp list. I will try to iterate. So once I iterate, so what I'll do, I will print this function, the first function. So what it will return, it will return first the employee name. On that, what I want, and then means and then function one. Okay, so what does it mean? The function one means it will evaluate first, from which we will get the employee name, and then function one, first it will evaluate, then and then means and then this function. Okay, this function will make it offer. Okay, so what we will do, we will apply, then apply the simply will pass the object. Okay, so that is the things, employee object will first, it will evaluate the employee name and then to upper. Okay, if I run this one, you'll find after this line, what are the result we are going to get. Simply we'll get the name with the uppercase. Okay, nothing as such. Okay, so nothing much. So what we got, John, Alex, Martin, Joseph, only the name with the uppercase. Okay, we understood this one. Okay, well and good. Okay, now what I want here is like I want, I just wanted to print a similar kind of thing. So now I'm going to show you another method, right? So for that, let me take one function. Okay, so function is like, I will take the function of string, and we are going to get the return as a return that is also string. Okay, so if I take the function 2, and if I take this name, if I provide the name to this one, then what it will do, name dot concat, what it will do, it will concat have a great day. Okay, so this is the this message I just wanted to append, right? Concat with the name. Once I got the name, that we want to append. So here what I'll do, I will iterate all these things. So same thing I will do. Okay, same thing I will do, and inside this, instead of in these things, what I will do, I will just perform function2 dot compose is the method I just wanted to show you. Compose, then the function. Okay, the function. So what it will do, it will first evaluate in the reverse, how what it is doing in case of and then. Just compose is the thing, compose is just going to do in the reverse or kind of reverse order kind of, right? So what it will do, it is going to, so compose, if you see, returns a compose function that first applies the before function of its input, and then apply the function to the result. Okay, so it will first the whatever the input we are giving, like the function it will going to evaluate. Okay, name, then it will evaluate this function on top of this. Okay, so this name, and on top of this name result, then that is going to apply in the function 2. So what it will do, it is going to, we are going to supply the employee object. It will first get the name, on the name it will going to apply have a nice day. So it should come as John, comma, have a nice day. So that should come. Okay, so let's see what it is giving. Okay, as seen, like John have a great day, Alex have a great day. So this kind of message, this kind of manipulation we can do. So basically I have shown you like how to work with and then the compose. And another method is their identity. So simply it is nothing, it is going to do nothing, like what we can do, whatever the list function we have. Okay, simply let me show you. Sys out function dot function dot. Okay, so this is a function, this is a function. Okay, this identity is the like static method. So what we can do, we can call the function method by means of name, right? Function dot identity and dot apply. If I apply this e, so what it is going, like it is going to give the same result, whatever the input we are going to supply, that same output it is going to give. Okay, so let me print. So what it is going to save, so the same thing it is, so you can see. Oh, okay, so I have not provided the this one. Okay, I have not provided these things, toString method. Okay, so what I'll do, I just copy the same thing, and this function too I will delete, and this one also I will delete just to show this. And if I go to the employee and if I add here, okay, if I add here the toString method, so toString, then you can see the result. Okay, so nothing I have done. So whatever the employee object we are getting on that, the function dot identity, the function is the functional interface, identity is the static method in that. So that is why we are calling on the name. Okay, and apply, we're applying this one. So what is the purpose of identity? Returns a function that always returns an input argument. Okay, whatever the input you will pass, that argument it is going to return. Okay, let me run now. In this this time you will get the result. Okay, as you can see, whatever the list is having, like 102, 101, 103, 106, all these things, it is directly showing. So whatever the employee in the list, what is that is there, one by one, it is what it is doing, it is printing the same. Whatever the how the input we are providing, the same thing it is giving. So nothing much it is doing. So here the important thing we have to remember, whenever there is a need that like need that like we want some kind of function chaining. Okay, so in that case we can mostly we are going to use and then. Okay, first perform this and then this. For example, we are going to get the employee record, from that we are going to get the name. So that kind of stuffs we can you do by using the and then. Mostly we are going to use this one. Okay, for the understanding, like for the information purpose, I have shown compose and this identity. Okay, so I hope like this function, all the method that is completed. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.